Hi everyone, my name is Sumesh Setumadhavan and I am deeply pleased and honored to receive this prestigious FAB award. And I am thankful to my family, team leads, my senior Mr. Sudeep Sen, and to all my colleagues and team leads. Thank you very much.
To receive this award today. It's been a collective effort to win this great deal, and I thank Bernie, Prashant, Prasanna, Ramesh for all their support. Thanks again, and I look forward to doing it again. Cheers.
Hi everyone, I'm Vinod. I take care of both Hyderabad and Chennai NetApp sale. I really feel excited to get this award. I would like to thank Girija for her continuous support and Sumit for believing on me. And it is a collaborative effort. So I wish to thank everyone once again. Thank you.
I would like to dedicate this award to my team. Special thanks to Nitin, Bernie, Prashant for enabling me to achieve this. Lastly, thanks to Central and Location team for supporting me. Thanks a lot.
Thank you for the award. This award is a testimony for the hard work and commitment my team has put in. This goes out to my team. Proud of you all.
Hi everyone, I am really glad to receive the FAB award. I would like to thank my teammates, my family members and Mr. Sachinand Deepak for the constant support. And last but not the least, I would like to thank Team Leads for the wonderful recognition. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm happy to receive this award. I'd like to thank each and everyone, especially Sushovan and my team members who have supported in making this success.
Hi everyone, thank you for the award. A special thanks to Gayatri, my team head, and Richie and Raki, my teammates, for their support. Without their support, I wouldn't have reached this far.
Hi everyone, it feels great to be recognized for your efforts. I would like to thank everyone who considered me worthy. Thanks to my team for being a constant support throughout this journey. Special thanks to my manager Archit. Without your support and guidance, I won't have been able to achieve all this in a short span. Thank you.
Hi, good evening all. Thank you very much for this FAB award. I would like to say thanks to few people. One is my team and other departments who helped me to get this award. And also special thanks to my guru, my inspiration, Subrato Kundu, and my junior big boss, Krishnendu, for getting this opportunity. Soon I am going to reach half century R&R awards. Thank you all.
Hi friends, I am Ravi Kumar from Hyderabad TDQA. I am very happy to say that this is my second consecutive Fab Awards. It's my pleasure thank to Roslyn, Nagasek, Krishna, Madhu who made it possible for me. Thank you guys.
Hello everyone, this is Rajesh. It's a huge honor to receive this award and deeply honored by Jamil and Sam for recognizing my work, and I'd like to thank my whole team members for the excellent contribution. Thank you.
Hi all, myself Dhanlakshmi. I'm working in TCS account, Unit 4. I hope everyone doing good at this pandemic situation. I feel proud and excited to receive this award second time. I would like to thank to Shiva, Sunil, Samuel and Jamil who has been recognized me and supported me in all the aspects always. And I would like to thank to my team members. Thanks.
Hi everyone, thank you so much for nominating me for this award. It's really an amazing feeling to be nominated for Fab Awards. I thank Mr. Shiva, Jamil, Samuel, my team members, my clients who supported me to achieve this award. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, fabulous is what I'm feeling right now, and for that thanks to Team Lees. These awards and recognition certainly gives a lot of motivation and zeal to do more. Also I would like to thank entire IMSI team for their support and making this happen.
Thank you to the jury for giving me this recognition. It really means a lot to me and motivates me to do more for this organization. Thank you so much to Sunil, Ritu, Krish's team, especially Samad and Abhinav. I think this award is for all of us. Hope many more wins to Team Lees. Thank you.
Hi all, this is Tanvi from ALS Team Delhi. Thank you Neeti and Vivek for acknowledging and awarding my efforts. I would also like to thank the key players from my operations team, Mudit and Swati, for their contribution to this. Thank you so much.
Hey all, hi, hope you are keeping safe. Thank you Team Lees for conferring this award. I would like to have a note of gratitude to my manager Mr. Naveen Patil and to my awesome HRBP team. Keep up the hustle. Bye bye.
Hi everyone, it is a huge honor for me to receive this Fab Awards for the last quarter. I would like to thank my managers, Bijay sir and Reggie sir, and all my colleagues for supporting me. Thank you Team Lees for giving me this Fab Award for the last quarter. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, it's a pleasure to receive this Fab Award. I would like to thank Vikram and my team members Arun, Vinay and Krishna. Thank you all.
I am Mandeep Singh and I am the business analyst for NetApp Business. I am extremely happy and thankful to Sumit for always supporting and guiding me. And also thanks to my entire NetApp BD team. It is really so much fun to work with all of you.
Hi everyone, good evening. Thanks for the award. I also thank Prashant sir, Nitin and Rohit Ashwa for nominating me.
Hi everyone, Mohan here from NetApp Migration team. Feel very happy to receive this award. And I thank Sheetal, Sumit, Srividya, Girija for believing in me. Also I thank my operation team, friends, colleagues as well as all my BD team. Thank you.
Hi everyone. I would like to thank for giving me the opportunity to work in this organization. And also I personally thank Hitesh, Anjana, Kiran and Priya and all my team members. Thank you very much.
Hi all, this is Kalyan from TDPL Unit 4. I am very excited about this Fab Awards. I would like to thank my manager Pradeep and my unit head Sam for giving me an opportunity to prove myself. Thank you all.
Thank you for this award. I'm truly honored to receive it. A special thanks to my daughter who has lent her room after a contribution is worth mentioning. I sincerely thank each one of my colleagues for helping me reach this stage where I can proudly hold up this recognition as a mark of my achievement. Last but not the least, I want to thank my management. Without their continued support, I would never be able to put number like this. Thank you very much.
Hi, good evening everyone. I'm very happy to get this award. Even I didn't expect this. I will get this award in this year. And I would like to thank Jamil for giving me this opportunity to prove myself in this organization. And I would like to thank Yashodharan for supporting me a lot to achieve my targets and my targets. Thank you.
Hi everyone, it's an honor to receive a Fab Award. Thanks to Padma, Rajiv and Sushoban for nominating me. Thanks to the entire team who supported e-invoicing project success. Thanks Team Lees.
Namaste one and all. I am really happy and feeling grateful in receiving this award. I would first like to thank the organization for this recognition, and I would also like to thank my manager Dhanlakshmi ma'am and my team leader Prabhavati who have supported me in achieving this, and I would still more do better and achieve more in the upcoming days. Thank you so much.
Hi all, I am very grateful to you for considering me for the Fab Award. I would like to thank Padma and my team for the support. Once again, I would like to thank my team and Team Lees.
Hi everyone, it's an honor to receive this Fab Award. I would like to thank Jamil, Rajesh, Atika and my team members for being part of this success. Thank you Team Lees.
Extremely honored to receive this Team Lees Fab Awards. I would like to thankful to Mr. Trijay sir who has supported me a lot, and my entire team Rahul, Bhavesh, HR team who has supported me. Thank you Team Lees. Thank you.
Hello team. Well, I'm really much happy and extremely honored to be receiving such an important award named is Fab Award. I would really like to know what can be my nomination for that. Especially thanks to all Team Lees team, Raman, Anjali, Shefalika, everyone. Especially Raman who has supported me at every stage of my career during IMS and Team Lees. Thanks everybody who have supported me. Thank you very much.
Thank you for the award. It's definitely been a great learning experience working on the NABS automation project with various departments. Thank you team for all your support in ensuring that we went live successfully. This definitely wouldn't have been possible without your support, Sheetal. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Hi everyone, feeling proud to be a part of Fab Awards, and I would like to thank Anjali and whole IMSI team for their constant support achieving this Fab Awards and every milestone which I am achieving in this IMSI. Looking forward for the Fab Awards. Thank you all.
Hello everyone, my name is Rishikesh. Today I am feeling very happy as I am being nominated for the Fab Awards, and I would like to express my sincere thanks to my team members, my mentors in the World Team Lees family, and my special thanks to my wonderful leader Dwaipan, who is trusting and supporting me and giving opportunity to learn and grow. Thank you.
Hi everyone, it's an honor to receive this Fab Award. I would like to thank Karthik to give this opportunity. Without his and team support, I would not have achieved this. Thanks everyone.
Hello everyone, I'm really glad to receive this Fab Award. I would like to dedicate this award to Unnat and Munira because it wouldn't be possible without their support and guidance. I would like to thank Team Lees as well for recognizing my efforts. Thank you.
Hi all, I'm Jennifer here from Pradeep's team, Unit 4. I'm happy for that nominated for the Fab Awards, and I'm thankful to Pradeep and our team also supporting me. Thank you for giving this award.
Hello everyone, it's an amazing feeling to receive this Fab Award. I would like to thank all my team members and my family members for their unconditional support. And I would also like to thank Unda Jain for his guidance and encouragement throughout. Thank you, Team Lees.
Hello everyone, I am Dishang Upadhyay, working as an assistant professor and in charge head of mechatronics department at Team Lees Skills University, Vadodara. I am really glad that I am receiving this award. My special thanks to all my team members, all the staff of Team Lees Skills University, and I really thankful to Dr. Ramni Umad for believing in me and for nominating me for this award. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav Mittal. I am part of NetUp team. Thanks to my boss and my VD team, he always motivated me, and thanks to Team Lees, give me wonderful opportunity. Thank you everyone.
Hello everyone, I'm very much honored in receiving this Fab Award. I would like to thank my managers Ganesh, Mahesh, Nitin and Prashant for their encouragement and support. I would also like to thank our processing team and location team for their continued support. Thank you everyone.
Hi everyone, hope you all are safe. I introduce myself. My name is Krupesh Sohan, CPO Department, Ahmedabad. My e-code is T10630. I am very happy to receive my first Fab Award. I would like to thank my all team members and especially to Rahul sir and Nitin sir. I always thanks to Team Lees.
Hi everyone, it gives me an immense pleasure to receive this Fab Award. I would like to thank Raju sir and my entire team. And Team Lees, thank you for recognizing us. Thank you.
Hello everyone, very happy to receive this award. A big thanks to Padmini and my team for this motivation factor. Thank you everyone, stay safe.
Thank you so much for nominating for this award, and I feel honored. I would like to thank my team members, my family, and Mr. Ramesh and Mr. Prashant for the support, without which it wouldn't have been possible. This is my first Fab Award, and it's like a dream come true moment. Thank you, Team Lees.
Hi, this is Mudasir Pasha. I'm very glad to receive this award. Thank you so much for the Fab Award. Thank you so much, Ms. Niti Sharma, being my guide and supporting me. Thank you to my all team members and colleagues for encouraging me, and it feels wonderful to receive this award. Thank you all once again.
Hi everyone, Naveen Kumar D here. Thank you so much for recognizing my work. I'm so grateful to you all for supporting me in each and every step. This is my first company I have worked with, and I have just 1.8 months of experience, but I learned a lot from this company. All this credit goes to my team manager Aripriya, who supported and encouraged and motivated in each and every step. And I'm so thankful for my NARS team members. Thank you guys, thank you so much for your support and encouragement. Wear a mask and be safe.
Hi all, I'm glad to be part of these Fab Awards. I absolutely owe it all to my fellow members, and a big thanks to Munira and Unnat for their continuous support and guidance. Proud to be a part of this wonderful organization. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am extremely honored to receive this Fab Award. I am grateful for the recognition which I have received for my work, and I would like to thank my team members and my manager for the support, without which this wouldn't have been possible. Thanks, Team Lees.
Hi everyone, I am very glad to hear that I have been nominated for Fab Awards. I would like to convey my special thanks to Rajashree and Kunal for their support and guidance. I will continue contributing my best, and thanks to my team for their support.
Hello everyone, thanks a lot for this award. I'm glad to be the part of Team Lees. Especially I would like to thanks to Abhishek who gave me this opportunity, and thanks for the entire team. Thank you very much.
Thank you for this Fab Award. I consider it as a great privilege to propose a vote of thanks to all my team members and Reggie sir, my manager, Roshik sir, and each and everyone who supported me all the time, without which it would not have been possible. Once again, thank you all.
It's honor to receive this award. Thank you so much my team, and especially thank you Rahul for his support. Without his support, this can't be possible.
Hi everyone, I feel very honored for this Fab Award. I would like to thank Sundar sir and Prasanna sir, and also I would like to thank my team members for their full support. Thank you team leads.
Hello everyone, this is a huge honor for me to receive this Fab Award. I want to thank my manager Dheeraj sir for helping me realize my strength and potential all through my career, and Sneha, you are highly motivational. Thank you.
Hi team, good morning. I am very happy and excited about the new roles and responsibilities that has been given to me by the team leads, and I would like to thanks to my entire team for supporting me and helping me out to fulfill these responsibilities. Once again, thank you to my entire team. Thank you.
It's an honor to receive this Fab Award. In this occasion, I want to thank Mr. Maheshwaran sir and all my team members for their tremendous support and cooperation in all these years. I am dedicating this award to my team. Thank you team leads.
Hi all, it's really a honor to receive this Fab Award, and I should thank Karthik and my team for nominating me. Thank you team leads.
Hello people, greetings to all of you. I am very much happy and keen for this Fab Awards, as I really would like to know what can be my nomination for that, and I would like to thank Dheeraj sir for always giving me the best opportunity where I can put in my 100% efforts. and all my teammates who gradually have supported me to achieve it always on time. So thank you.
Thank you. I want to thank Large A, Large B for being so supportive, and I also want to thank my leaders Krishan, Subrato. I'm pretty excited to take this award. Thank you.
Hi all, thank you for this recognition. Would like to thank my team members and my leaders who have always been there to support me throughout and have always stood by me and given all their best to ensure that we as a team achieve our goals. Thank you.
Hi all, it's an honor to receive the award. I would like to thank all my colleagues, my seniors, and special thanks to Ramani and Ravi who gave me this opportunity 5 years back to work with Team Leads during the IPO times. I am grateful to all of you. Thank you once again.
Hi all, I'm Purnima. I'm working as a team lead in TDPL, Team Leads Digital, and I'm so happy and I'm so excited that I've been nominated for Fab Award, and it's a big surprise for me and I'm so happy. Thank you so much, and I want to thank Sam for giving me a big opportunity to kickstart my career. I'm really thankful to Pradeep for supporting me, guiding me, and whatever I'm doing, correcting my mistakes, and he is the person who support me and guiding me in all the work I do. And thank you so much, Pradeep. And I really want to thank my team. Without my team, this shouldn't be happened for me. So thank you for my team, and I really once again I thank so much for Pradeep and nominating for this award. Thank you so much.
It's my pleasure and honor to receive this award. I truly dedicate this award to my entire team. Team is my strength. Thanks for giving the inspiration and faith.
Hello everyone, my name is Vivek Tyagi. I am the Chief Revenue Officer for the ELS business, which will be now known as Team Leads EdTech. It is indeed an honor to receive the Best Captains Award. I am grateful to Neeti for this recognition, and a special thanks to all my teammates who have continuously worked hard to achieve the shared goals and objectives. Thank you guys. Without you, this wouldn't have been possible. Thank you.
Hi all. First of all, thanks for this award. I feel really very happy to get this award. I would like to thank Jamil, Rajesh, Atika and all of my respective team members to made me to get this award. Once again, thanks for all.
Hi everyone, this is Varun. I thank each and everyone who is involved in this Himmat Singha transition. We were able to onboard about 1,000 people in the last 3 months phase. And a special mention on thanks to Bala, Shabana and teams who were always supportive in this transition.
Thank you for nominating me for TeamLease Pride. First of all, I want to thank my leaders who supported me in all the ways and my team, especially my SBI team. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone, it's honor to receive the FAB award. Thanks to my manager Shamla ma'am and Padma ma'am to support me in every inch of difficulties, and thank you TeamLease.
Thank you for giving me this award, and I just want to specially dedicate this award to Sheetal, Shrividya, Shamshur, Priya and Simon and all my colleagues who supported me in this 2.5 journey in TeamLease, and hope to achieve more here. Thank you.
Thank you guys, thanks for giving this award. At this moment I would like to thank all the managers who supported me a lot, especially Rekha and Shabana who supported me at the time of my work. It is not a simple thing to achieve this award. For this success I would like to share this success with all my departments and the team members who supported me a lot. So I would request the same support need to be continued going forward as well to achieve more and more success in my career. So thank you Madhu, thank you for giving this award. Thank you very much.
I take this moment to thank you all for your wonderful support and encouragement. I feel so great to be part of TeamLease, and so proud too. Special thanks to my team here and my leader who always withstand to motivate me and guide me in all aspects. Thank you all once again. All the best.
Hi all, have a nice day. I hope you all are fine. Today I feel very happy. I got TeamLease Pride Award. I would like to tell my special thanks to TeamLease, giving a great opportunity to work in this organization, and my heartfelt thanks to my friends, colleagues and managers. Because of all your motivation and support, I achieved my targets on time, and I am expecting same kind of support going forward to improve myself and prove in this organization achievements. Thank you all.
Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. It feels great to be a part of these FAB awards, and it would be my first award in IMSI, and I would like to thank Mr. Sandeep and Anjali for their constant support in IMSI. Without them it would not be possible, and thank you once again. Looking forward for these awards. Thank you.
Hi all, thank you so much for nominating me to this FAB award. It would have not been possible without my team efforts. The entire credit goes to my team. Thank you so much, Hitesh, for this recognition.
Hello everyone. I'm very happy to hear that I am nominated in Fab Awards. I would like to thank to each and everyone in my team and my family members. And my special thanks to management and my manager Mr. Narendran sir and Munira ma'am. Thank you for your support and guidance. Thank you, team leads.
I'm glad to have this award. Let me have privilege to thank team lead Mr. Hitesh, Ms. Janet and other colleagues for always being supportive to me. Thanks for acknowledging my hard work, and I will make sure that I will continue the same. Thank you.
Hi everyone, it's honor to receive a Fab Award. Thanks for recognizing my efforts. Thanks to Rajesh, Liji and my team for the great support. Thank you, team Lees.
Hi all, I just got to know that I've been nominated for Fab Awards. I'm super excited for that. I'm really surprised. Thank you so much, Sudha Garu, for nominating me. Thank you so much, Rajnikant Garu, for your support to reach this milestone in my life. Thank you so much.
I would like to thank Janet, Hitesh and management for giving me this opportunity, and also my team who has supported me a lot. I'm very much glad working in Team Lees, and thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Hi all. I'm happy that I have been nominated for this award. Thanks to Harish for being so supportive and for all his guidance. Thanks to Subrato and Krish for their support. Thanks to my entire team.
Hi everyone, it's a huge honor for me to receive this award. I am deeply honored by my superiors for the recognition of my work. Special thanks to Sir Dheeraj, Raman, entire management, my colleagues for supporting me in every way. Thank you so much for the invaluable award. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ms. Neti Sharma and Dr. Avni Umat. As a team, we always complement each other. Apart from our regular teaching load, we are constantly involved in research paper publication and various program designing. Thank you. Stay safe.
Stay safe.
Thank you. Stay safe.
Stay safe.
So here's cheers for the South team. Very good performance for the first 2 quarters. Happy and proud of them, and I wish them all the luck. And obviously we will keep rocking and look forward to see South achieving the numbers. Yes.
We are the best. We are the best. Cheers. Cheers.
Hi, it's fabulous to get an award, especially for a team who has been so dedicated and fabulous in their delivery in last 1 quarter. I would like to thank each team member who has provided extraordinary support and cost saving. Stay focused team and excellent job. Thank you so much.
Thanks to TeamLease for giving us the prestigious FAB Award for Q1. It has been an overall team performance. I think I would like to thank the legal team, the migration team, and special mention of Loka from the migration team. In my team, of course, the credit goes to Sumesh, Faiz, as well as Nikhil Ved. And a lot of thanks to Ritu for instilling her confidence and pushing us to do a good Q1 amidst the outbreak of pandemic. We have a much larger task ahead, and we need to ensure that we are consistent and we repeat the same kind of a performance in the coming quarters as we did in Q1. Thank you.